what's up YouTube? I am here with a student. She's about to do her driving test. She's doing her driving test in one of the Broward County locations. I am actually running through the driving test at one of the old DMV. This used to be the old Lauderhill DMV. So they're not doing driving tests here anymore, right? But I am still running through the test here, just because we can show outside of the car, and the time is 9:30, so we can't even practice at the actual DMV. So we're just gonna run through the test real quick. All right, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
I park, put it in park, pull up the emergency brake, then turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. All right, do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Let's press the brake, release it. Cool. All right, so they're gonna ask you to do those things to check, to make sure that the lights are working. The turn signal lights, the horn, the brake lights. If they're not working, they will not let you use that car. All right, so we're gonna reverse from here. We're gonna go to the left, so you're gonna make sure the back of the car goes to the right. So back out, reverse, and we're gonna back out until the mirror here is at the end of the line. When the mirror gets to the end of the line, that's when we're gonna stop. So back out, straight back, a little bit more. Alright, so the mirror is at the end of the line, you see. Now you're gonna turn all the way to the right. Look behind you, yes. Because the examiners are actually in the car with you now. So it's not like before when they were calling you on the phone. They're in the car, they're gonna be sitting right here. They're gonna tell you step by step what to do. So you just follow instruction. Alright, so we're gonna pull up next to the line on the right side. This is the parking lot's on the right side. And then I'll tell you what to do next.
Okay.
Alright, so you're gonna pull up about here and stop. Then they're gonna tell you the next maneuver is the quick stop. No, at the other place they're gonna tell you step by step what to do. So basically you follow instruction, right?
Okay.
So here we're gonna do the quick stop. So speed up to 20, and when I say stop, you do a sudden stop. Okay, speed up and stop. Okay, just like that. Alright, so now we're going to reverse in a straight line. So look behind, just like that, and we're gonna go straight back. Keep going back until I tell you to stop. And that's exactly how the test is. They'll tell you when to stop each maneuver, right? Okay, that's good enough. Stop there. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is parking. So we're gonna pull close to the right side here, put in drive. We're gonna pull close to the right side, and we're gonna park on the left side. So go forward. And you're going to line up your mirror with one of the lines over in that side. When the mirror is lined up like above that, that looks good. Signal left, turn all the way left. When you get to the middle, you're going to straighten the wheel and pull straight in. Just like that. Cool. Alright. So now we're going to reverse, and we're going to go to the right. We're going to go do the 3-point turn. So back out. When your mirror gets to the end of the line again, you turn in all the way left. And again, when the mirror gets to the end of the line, like about there, turn all the way to the left. Turn left, all the way left. And look behind you as you reverse. Okay, stop about here, that's good. Put up right back in drive. And we're gonna pull up next to the line on the right side so we can do the 3-point turn. To the white line up there. We're gonna pull up next to it.
Okay.
Press the gas gently. So here in the driving test, we're doing maximum 10 miles per hour, right?
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to do the 3-point turn. So the 3-point turn is between this line, stop about here, this line here, and the line over there. So we're going to signal left, turn all the way left. And you're going to go forward and stop before you cross the line. Okay, that's good. Put the car in reverse, turn all the way right. Look over your left shoulder, and we're going to reverse until the mirror here is in the middle of the space, right?
Okay.
Alright. Keep going back. Okay, that looks about good right there. Put the car back in drive, signal left again, and turn left. So remember I keep saying signal. Signal every time. If you don't signal, you're going to lose 4 points for each and every time that you forget to signal. Those 4 points will add up. Keep going down to the stop sign. You're allowed to get up to 30 negative points and still pass the test. So it's not like if you make any mistake, you fail. But you want to try to get as little points as possible. That's the objective, right? Yeah. So you stop, and now we're going to go and park. And again, this is where the test would end. As soon as you park, then we will go up and line it up again. And then turn all the way left and roll into the space. And straighten up and pull straight in. Just remember, one time too much right there.
Okay.
Alright, go forward a little bit and stop.
Okay.
Put it in park. Yeah, so when you straighten up, it's 2 times to the middle from extreme left or right. Okay. So we got to work on that. Well, you got to remember that, because this is it. Alright, so how you think you did though, overall?
You be the judge.
No, I'm asking you. How do you think you did?
I don't know.
I think you did great. Okay. That's funny. She's like, oh, whatever you say. No, you did good. So if you just listen to what they ask you to do and do it, you should have no problem, right?
Okay.
I'm going to put in the description what she got on her test. I expect her to get high marks.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Alright, so again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'm asking you please to subscribe. Like the video, share the video. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.